Live pictures coming in from the national capital. Well, the latest BJP versus Congress flashpoint. This, of course, over Abneet Bittu's remarks on Rahul Gandhi. The Congress upping the ante. In fact, the Congress is protesting in the heart of the national capital against the BJP with placards and flags. And what I'm being told is that the Congress is trying to jump the barricades as well, moving towards the BJP headquarters in DDU Marg as well. Let me go across to my colleague Ishika now. Ishika, over to you. High drama on the streets of national capital.
Yes, certainly, Vedant, we are witnessing high drama on the streets of the national capital. We are showing you the visuals directly. You can see how these workers of the Delhi Congress are at the barricades. They are trying to jump the barricades, to go towards the BJP headquarters. But in fact, there is a scuffle right now between the security forces and, in fact, the Congress workers. Remember that this protest today is being held by the Congress party against those leaders, those BJP leaders specifically, who in fact, made comments against Rahul Gandhi. And Congress today demands an apology from the BJP and also that action should be taken against those leaders. यहाँ पर आप मौजूद हैं, आप लोग जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
जाएंगे, अपनी जान भी दे देंगे, देश के अंदर अराजकता नहीं फैलने देंगे। गलत बयानी का हम पूरा
अभद्र भाषा का जो प्रयोग करते हैं ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता, हमारे महबूब नेता जो प्रेम और मोहब्बत को बांट रहे हैं पूरे देश के अंदर, आप देखिए। लेकिन वो कांग्रेस पार्टी इस चीज को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुख्यालय पर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस के हमारे अध्यक्ष देवेंद्र यादव जी के नेतृत्व में।
मोदी जी से हमें डिमांड है कि आपके पास बैठते हैं, आपके साथ बैठते हैं, विपक्ष के बड़े नेता हैं, तो ऐसे लोगों पर कार्रवाई करना चाहिए मोदी जी को, जो विपक्ष में बैठे हुए हैं, आपके बराबर ही बैठे।
जब तक कार्रवाई नहीं होगी तब तक प्रोटेस्ट जारी रहेगा।
जी बिल्कुल जारी रहेगा। आज देवेंद्र यादव जी के नेतृत्व में जिस तरीके से दिल्ली कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता आज राहुल गांधी जी के खिलाफ जो अभद्र टिप्पणी भाजपा नेता कर रहे हैं, वो उनके बौखलाहट को दर्शाता है। जिस तरीके से राहुल गांधी जी की लोकप्रियता बढ़ी है, उस लोकप्रियता के बढ़ती लोकप्रियता इनको बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रही है।
So certainly, Vedant, if you look even at the placards that they have brought here, I'd like to show you here the placards that they have brought. Narendra Modi, होश में आओ, ओछे बयानों पे रोक लगा। So certainly demanding, action to be taken against those leaders who made these remarks against Rahul Gandhi. And certainly dramatic visuals that we are showing you right now from the streets of the national capital. These workers, they are trying to, climb the barricades to go towards the BJP headquarters, but they have been stopped right here by the security forces. There was a heavy deployment of the police forces right here. You can see the scuffle between the Congress workers, the protesters, and in fact the security forces is currently going on here. And the Congress here says that till the action is taken against all of these leaders and an apology is given, they are not going to stop with their protest against the BJP. Over to you.